So you're looking for a backpack. Who is it for and what is it being used for? There's many different backpacks that we have to offer. And right here we have two of our most popular here from TUMI. First is the Search backpack. To me, this backpack is more your day-to-day backpack and good for business as well. It's got great pockets on the outside for organization, also for a water bottle on the side, and one of the sides is lined for condensation, so you will not ruin the pocket right here. Always in most backpacks, it has a separate compartment for the laptop or the iPad. This is a great size backpack that offers a lot of versatility, a lot of different pockets for all of your goods that you're taking with you from day to day, business, and even personal as well. Then this backpack from the Alpha collection is called the Packing Backpack. And the major difference is that in the main area, it is more like a suitcase where you can put clothes and shoes and toiletry kits in here for your overnight trips or your weekend trips. It, of course, holds the laptop in the back, and it has the padding appropriately for that. But it is a lot different of a backpack. Similar in size, but of course, for two different purposes. So that's why when you come into London Harness or TUMI Wellesley, we like to ask you these simple questions of who it's for, what it's being used for, and so we can find the perfect backpack for you.